In this video, I'll show you how to react on Telegram message. Ensure you subscribe and turn on bell notification to this channel for lots of educational content like this. Head over to your Telegram account, right? I'm going to show you how you can react on Telegram message. So you can see I'm currently in this channel, and this channel is a crypto channel. It is journal, right? So for me to be able to react on any message here, what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to right click on my mouse. I'll hold it firmly, right? So from there you can see a lot of displayed options right here, so I can pick any one of my choice. Let's say I can just choose to just send this, right? You can see basically I just reacted right here to this message. So this is how you can react on Telegram message. If you found this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'm gonna see you all in the very next one.